had a bad hip. I've had it for a number of years, and it just continued to get worse and worse. And I've already had a right hip full replacement, and I did research and was looking online for places, alternate sources for a total hip replacement, and just kind of stumbled upon HCCI just on the internet. Well, the first thing I guess was how quickly I was responded to when I made an inquiry. Ms. Joan Friedman responded almost immediately, same day that I made an inquiry. I had a number of other options, different places in the Caribbean, Latin America, Southeast Asia, to do this. I don't have insurance in the United States, and I did not want to deplete everything I had by having it done in the United States, and I needed to have it done. And through exchange of information, continuing online conversation, we came up with a plan, and it worked out for me. This is a good start. I knew what it was going to cost. I knew where it was, and where could you go to beat the Caymans to recover for a couple of weeks. I've been here a couple of times on cruise ships, but just day tours. You know, but I did a lot of research about it, looked at East End, West End, found out that this was out on the East End, and that it was close to some very nice accommodations to do my recovery, which I'm enjoying a great bit. And I like to snorkel and dive. I'm a diver as well, so come back sometime for a follow-up. Best of my knowledge and the way I've been able to figure it out, it still cost me more 5 years ago in the United States to have this done with insurance than this whole trip is going to cost me. So, and that was out of my pocket and deductibles and everything else. This place is just unbelievable, and the quality of care, the quality of facilities, equipment, the nurses, the technicians, the food, everything's just been top notch.